Hi guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. Guys, let's look at this question. I first read the question. Sketch the region in the first quadrant bounded by the curve y equals to 2x minus x squared and the straight line y equals to x. Use integration to determine this area. And so guys, already I have drawn that graph, and as you can see, it's right here. So this is our graph, guys. We are using, first we are going to use 2x minus x squared, and we are also going to use y equals to x. For y equals to x is very easy, because that means that, guys, we are going to have a line y equals to x, and it usually passes through this point. Because when you put y equals to 1, x is also equals to 1. And so therefore, the line passes through that point. The curve that we have here is of 2x minus x squared. And so guys, I selected, when you put 0, you usually will get 0 for fx. When you put 0.5, guys, after calculation the calculator, I got 0.75. When you put 1, if I put 1 here, you shall have 2 minus 1, you shall have 1. When you put 1.5, guys, that is x equals to 1.5, your fx or fx will be equal to 0.75. When you put 2, guys, you can put 2 here, you get 4, and here you get 4. So 4 minus 4 is 0. So guys, I was able to draw that graph, and as you can see, our first point was 0 and 0. Then we have our second point 0.5 and 0.75. Then we had point at 1, it still gives us 1, like that. And then at 2, we got 1.5, it was supposed, we are supposed to have 0.75. And at 2, guys, we got 0. And so therefore, y is 0, x is 2. So guys, this is now the curve I had drawn. We have this straight line. This is our first quadrant. We have our first quadrant right here, and this is what we are using. So guys, we are now going to look at, as the question says, sketch the region in the first quadrant bounded by the curve. The boundary for that is going to be the curve and the line y equals to x. So guys, we use integration to do that. And so therefore, looking at our graph, that is our curves and straight line, we shall have, for this area, we shall have integral from 0, that is this point, up to this point. Guys, this point is supposed to be 1. And then guys, as you can see, the curve that we have here goes on top of this straight line. So we are going to use that curve, that is 2x minus x squared. Now we take away this curve, because the distance from here to here is this, the point at the curve minus the point at the straight line. So we take away x from this. So our point here is x, and also we have this other point, which is 2x minus x squared. All these, guys, we are going to integrate that with reference to x, our variable being x, that is from this point to that point. And so therefore, guys, let's do that problem as it is written. So guys, we shall have now integral from 0 to 1, 2x minus x squared minus x dx. So this is now going to be integral from 0 to 1, 2x minus x, that gives us x, now minus x squared dx. Guys, we can now integrate that. That will give us x squared all over 2 minus x cubed all over 3, limits from 0 to 1. Guys, now we can put our 1, shall have a half minus a third, all that minus, now we can put the 0. That one, guys, we are going to get all of them are going to be zeros. And so therefore, guys, we shall have, can find the LCM for that is 6. 6 divided by 2, 3, minus 6 divided by 3, that is 2. And so therefore, guys, our solution is going to be 1 all over 6. So this is now what we get. Square, we can say square units. Square units. Of course, guys, it's not compulsory to say that, but this is our solution. So guys, thank you for listening to me. Bye bye.